BCB Trading. Is it the real thing? Can it make you a fortune? Or is it another HYIP Ponzi scam? Someone has just shared this with me, a good friend, and they've said, what do you think of this, Paul? And so I'm recording this pretty much live as I'm seeing it. So first of all, nice looking website, but that doesn't mean anything much these days. You can get a nice looking website for $50 if you go to the right places. So let's do a proper investigation. First of all, I also do note down here they've got a chat function, and it says get button. If you actually click on that, we come through to the get button website, and here this is just looking at the details of how this gets added to a website, and you can have this added on your website. It's completely free, or to get the pro feature and get the get button removed from the website, it only costs £2.99 per month billed annually. That would allow you to add Google Analytics, remove the get button branding, and that's just a quick observation there. If I was running a professional business, I'd want to remove that branding for just $2.99 per month. I would get rid of that get button. So a bit sloppy that. Right, let's have a look. So portfolio. Okay, so here we have the classic packages option. Deposit certain amounts, receive a certain amount of return. So the benchmark return, target volatility, and the more you deposit, presumably the higher your return is going to be. Let's see if any of these will actually, none of these are clickable, so I can't do that. Investment management. BCB Trading has been a trusted partner to clients worldwide, delivering consistent growth through investment strategies. Just words on the screen means nothing. £500,000 deposit protection, audited by one of the big four. Let's have a look at this. So that's one of the big four accountancy firms, and come on, it says learn more underneath that there, but it doesn't actually tell us anymore. Okay, let's look at the 500k deposit protection. Nothing more there. Let's learn more about the Gov. Okay, so here is the gov.uk website, used to be known as Companies House, and this is really cheap, very simple to do, doesn't prove anything, but we're having a look here at BCB Trading Limited, and this is in Sheffield Road, Barnsley, South Yorkshire, just down the road from where I'm at the moment. This was incorporated 3rd of April 2001. Okay, but it's actually a construction business. Barnsley Community Build Trading was the original name, and that's from April 2001 to August 2009. So someone has basically just taken over the registration name, and that will be a fairly recent, just looking through the filing history here. Okay, let's have a look at the people involved. Okay, this may not be anything, this may be just a completely separate business. There's nothing to do. They're just basically saying from BCB Trading, they may have just taken to this website. So let's have a look and see if we can find BCB Trading Limited, which is the Barnsley, what was it? Let's go back and have a look. It was called Barnsley Community Build Trading Limited, and I think we will find this. So Barnsley Community Build Apprenticeships in general, so that's bcbtraining.co.uk. So let's have a look at this. Barnsley Community Build, Moorlands College, Apprenticeships, General Construction. So that's what that's all about, and all they've done, they've taken a building company and they've seen the BCB Trading and said, okay, they haven't got the domain name bcbtrading.com. So what we can do now is look and see, well, how long has BCB Trading been around for? Because they're saying there's a 5-year performance sheet. Okay, let's have a look at this. Page not found. Okay, very suspect. It could be a brand new website, this, and they haven't even uploaded that stuff. This could be a scam in the making. Let's go. I'm just having a look to see what else we've got here. So I think this is a completely cloned address from BCB Trading Limited. So they've just got bcbtrading.com as a domain name and set up to make it look like a trading company. Let's have a look at some of these other things. Portfolio, so we've got absolutely nothing on those. Let's have a look at the apply now. And I was going to look back in a minute. Okay, this looks like standard software for registering for an MLM type company. I don't have anything against MLMs, but what I do have a problem with is scams. So, yep, looking decidedly dodgy. So what have they got? Money management process. Okay, money management. This will just be warm words that don't mean anything. Just quickly scanning across these words to see if there's anything that's... Okay, so this will probably be copied information because this is reasonably advanced language here. Let's have a look at doing a search for that particular sentence there. So let's go and search Google for that sentence. And we've got 23,100 results. Let's look at it as a specific search. So we go start and end, we'll put it in inverted commas. That means we're looking for that particular phrase. Okay, interesting, it's only on the bcbtrading.com website. So let's go and see how long BCB Trading has been around for. So we go to whois, let's go to whois.net. Didn't quite type that in right, did I? Whois.net, whois.com, and we are looking for bcbtrading.com, and they're saying they've got performance certificates for 5 years, and yet the website was only registered just under 2 years ago, and it's due to expire in just 2 months as I'm recording this video. So, and that registrant contract is in Reykjavik, which is Iceland, and so that's nothing to do with Sheffield or Germany. So that again is a suspect. However, that is probably nothing to do with Reykjavik. That's probably just where the domain name registration company is, but certainly very dubious that it's only been around for less than 2 years and only registered for another couple of months. So let's go now and look at Wayback Machine and see if we can see anything on this website. So we go back to the web archive. So we're looking for https www.bcbtrading.com, and this will hopefully help you learn some of the methods to work out, well, is a website genuine? Is the business genuine? So they registered the domain name in 2021, but there was a website here previously at 2019. Let's see if this is anything to do with trading, because that's within the 5 years that they're saying that they were in. And here we've got a snapshot here on the 28th of May. So let's have a look at this snapshot. So this was 28th of May 2019, so 2.5 years ago. Let's see if we can grab the snapshot. Okay, so let's go on and see this. And indeed, that was a suspended page. So the previous website was suspended, so that was no longer the business. So someone has managed to find a domain name that was previously. Let's go back to 2016, see if we can find something about bcbtrading.com back then, see who may have owned the domain name back at that point. It's not the current owners, so I'm expecting to see a very different looking website, and certainly nothing to do with an actual trading firm, although the domain name itself is about trading, so it could be a completely different trading firm back in 2016. But let's see what snapshots we've got. So October 17th 2016, let's see what the website looks like here. Okay, so there we can see back then, I am no linguist, but that looks like Spanish to me, and this is an engineering firm, BCB Trading, and it looks like a fairly engineering related type of website. So nothing to do with the current trading that they're talking about at BCB Trading. So back to the BCB Trading website. Let's have a look at the about. Let's see if they've got any, if they've decided to put any fictitious names up, and not even going to have any fake actors yet. Okay, so there's nothing on there. Let's have a look at their LinkedIn page. Nope, that's not linking. Facebook's not linking. Twitter's not linking. So this would appear to be a very fresh website. Okay, chief broker. Interesting. What we can do, we can do an image search actually and see if this is Benjamin Carl Bowman. Not whether that doesn't really mean any difference either which way, whether he is or not. But let's try and search for this. So I'm going to save this image first of all. Actually, let's open the image in a new tab. So we can open this image here. And then what we're going to do is we can search image with Google and see if we can find the original source of this image. So find the image source, we click on that, and what do we have here? It looks like at the moment he's only on that particular website. There are facial recognition websites that you can use as well, but I don't bother paying for those because it's fairly obvious that this is a bogus website. There's no substance to it, and I certainly wouldn't go investing anything in BCBTrading.com. Let me try and give you a bit more information as to why. I think that's a little bit lightweight still at the moment as to why I wouldn't get involved with this. What we can't see is any particular details on this portfolio. It doesn't actually make any sense. Deposit more than 10,000, keeps moving away. That doesn't help, does it? Investment, partnerships, who we are, get in touch. Let's try the who we are again. Oh, that's not working. Let's try partnerships. Okay, partnerships. BCB Trading is a FINRA regulated broker and investment management firm. That's highly unlikely. Investors funds capital allocations, MAM advanced solutions, asset manager FCS registration as low as zero spread, only $3 per commission, Lloyd's £500,000 client fund protection. And again, even this bit's very confused. You know, whose audience they're going for? They've got a Lloyd's £500,000 GBP, yet they're talking only $3 per commission. So they're talking to an American market, they're talking to a UK market. Very confused. Again, a professional website wouldn't do that. They would have their chosen audience, and that would probably update depending on where your IP is located. They would update that to show you currency in your own location if they were very advanced, but they would certainly have consistency even if it's a manually created small website. So yeah, looks very, very bogus. I wouldn't go anywhere near this one at all. I hope this helps you save your money. Do feel free to visit my sponsor website to help me cover the costs of producing videos like this to help you spot the scams, and that is VC Crowd. You can find them at copydragons.com. is a website I've put together which explains what Copy Dragons do, and they go and invest in early stage businesses before they get to the stock market. Genuine investments with real businesses. You can see all the businesses, you can see your shareholdings and so on. I've been with them since 2015, $170,000 plus profit on my own personal account now, so I really do highly recommend go and check out copydragons.com, and like I said, that will help just raise some further funds for me to keep doing these videos to help stop people falling for the scams. Let me know if this has been useful. Pass your comments in the comments field below. Subscribe to the channel if you want to avoid other scams and want to learn about genuine ways to make your money work for you. That's what my channel is all about. I wish you all the best. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.